Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today just got another little quick maintenance project on the OBS F250. I've got a K&N intake on here. You guys can flame away in the comments, go for it. I know you all hate them. That's fine. I've never had bad luck with them, so I'm gonna keep running them. What we're gonna do is pull the filter, go piss my wife off by cleaning it in the kitchen sink, let it dry, re-oil it, and throw it back on. I've had this on for about 10,000 miles, whole bunch of dirt, whole bunch of back roads, whole bunch of gravel, and it's dirty. My exhaust, I'm blowing a little smoke, so I know it's not breathing as well. And so let's check it out. All right, so we only need a couple things for this, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty. All the outer ribs here are pretty darn dirty, pretty black. Like I said, I'm blowing a little smoke, which this thing's basically bone stock, just with a tune on it, so that's not normally the way it is. So I know it's not breathing as well as it should, so we're gonna need a 5/16, and then I'm gonna use a wrench to get this this outside here, which is just a 7/16 that you need here. All right, yeah, she is, again, you just got that out. She is pretty darn dirty. Let's get it inside, spray it down, and start cleaning it. All right, so we're just gonna use some K&N Power Clean here. Gonna spray it down real good and let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes. Ooh, yeah, the wife is not gonna love me for this one. Okay, so it's been 5 to 10 minutes now. I'm gonna clean it as you should with cold water from the inside out. So let's see what happens here. Oh God, yeah, that is really, really making a mess. Yeah, there's a lot of dirt coming out of there. A whole lot of dirt. I don't know how easy it is to see on there, but yeah, it's awfully gross. I'm gonna call that clean. And so I'm gonna go bring it back outside, set it out in the sun, call it good. All right, major difference there. It's not dry yet, but there's like no dirt left in there. So, might as well make use of Midland antenna while it's up there, out there in the sun. Ooh, God, there's a lot of water in there yet. Well, there you go. All right, so the filter is completely dry now. Had it out in the sun for a while. We're gonna use some of the K&N red oil, 3-inch away, and just spray it on each crown. I think that looks good. All right, we'll go throw it back in the truck. All right, last piece is just to put the little factory Ford air filter do-ma-jig in there. And we're gonna call it good. So that's a real simple, just maintenance piece on this truck that you have to do if you run these K&N intakes. Oil, or I guess pull it, clean it, let it dry, oil it, let it dry again, throw it back in. Super easy, super simple. We're good for quite a while longer. So if this is the kind of stuff you're into, working on these old trucks, overland stuff, I don't know, supercharged Broncos, stuff like that, give me a follow. I appreciate it. Subscribe, drop a comment. I'll see you guys next time.